Hi everyone, in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to change background in Windows 10. Okay, let's go. We have a wallpaper craft website. It's a awesome website. Have many background or wallpapers, HD wallpapers. You can select any one you want. Just here in the left pane, select your category. Okay, animals, anime. Okay, as you can see, cars, food, etc. Love. Let's say we will want to select this one, so click here. As you can see, scroll down and select HD1 full HD. As you can see, okay, now we want to download this picture. Okay, download wallpaper. Okay, now right click, save image as, set the destination desktop. Okay, save. That's it guys. Now the picture will be saved in the desktop. Okay, here guys we have two methods to put this picture as a background for my Windows 10. The first one, that's it, the easiest one. Right click and select set as desktop background. As you can see, that's it. The second one guys, right click, select personalize. Here guys, click browse and also select your destination when you download this background. Okay, here select the picture you want to put. Okay, as you can see, the background will be changed. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I will put this background again. Okay.